So today we're at Refugio State Beach. This is a protected state beach in California. It's approximately 20 miles west of Santa Barbara. It's 2.5 miles west of El Capitan State Beach. And it's quite a famous area here. The Refugio oil spill occurred just north of the park in 2015 when a pipeline carrying crude oil ruptured. The spill went into a culvert that ran under the US 101 and into the ocean. The spill then spread over 7 miles of coastline, including Refugio and El Capitan state beaches. The parks were closed during the cleanup. So in the distance you can see US 101. So as you can see, well worth the trip as you're heading down the coast. So if you like these videos, please like, please subscribe, and please share.